We're going to be working with hot steel today. I hope you enjoy this.
And when I say hot steel, I mean really hot steel.
So, this is my forge. We're gonna light it up. Pretty simple. Turn the gas on. You can hear it. A little bit of flame. We gotta let that warm up for a couple of minutes. Sorry, I get giddy. I get a little giddy when I turn it on. Today we're gonna make something out of cold steel. We've got many different choices of materials. Today we're going to be working with this little guy right here. The amazing part about how hard this steel is, as soon as I put it in there and you give it a few minutes, it's going to get soft as butter. Well, maybe not quite like butter, but it's going to get pretty soft. So this piece has been used for a couple of different things, and I'm just going to clean off the end. See what I mean? Like being like butter. You dream a little bit about what it is that you're gonna do. Try to think of the shape, and then of course you got to decide on what material you want to use. So just like God uses different tools, we get to use different tools. And a lot of times as a blacksmith, you have to make tools to be able to make something. So one of the things you got to do is, we're not after this square stock, we want it round, but I can't really make it round yet, it's too thick. So now I got to draw the metal out, so then I can turn it into a round. A lot of the process is just going back and forth, back and forth. I'm sure there's plenty of folks that understand fire in life. If we walk through it and persist, don't leave it, stick with it, and you will grow. When we're in that fire, he's trying to keep us directed in a certain way. Metal has a mind of its own, so do we. Now we get the fun part, we get to use other tools. I think that might be part of my thing when it comes to blacksmithing is I just really love working with tools, like a lot. Especially the part of making them. The fun part about working with metal is you got to get the slag off too when you start to finish. So not only are you getting pounded on, heated up, then you're getting scraped. Watch out for the sparks. I'm going to be constantly learning. That's what I love the most about it. And that is a blacksmith's finish. Long time, lots of fire, a lot of pounding.